Ever wondered if you're secretly sipping on a sugar bomb? Or missing out on vital fiber? While chasing that perfect green drink, in the epic showdown between juicing and blending, it's easy to get lost in the delicious confusion. Stick around as we unravel the juicing versus blending battle, revealing shocking truths and game-changing tips that could revolutionize your health routine. Juicing, the pure elixir. Juicing is like extracting liquid gold from fruits and vegetables. You get a concentrated dose of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants all in a glass. Think of it as the ultimate nutrient shot, packing a punch without the bulk. But here's the kicker: juicing strips away the fiber. That means quicker absorption of nutrients, but also a fast-track ticket to blood sugar spikes. Ever wondered why that carrot juice hits you like a sugar rush? Yep, that's why. Blending, the fiber frenzy. Blending, on the other hand, keeps everything together, fiber included. It's like throwing a whole party into your blender and getting a smoothie packed with all the goodness. Fiber slows down the release of sugars into your bloodstream, giving you a steady energy boost without the crash. Plus, it keeps you fuller for longer. Ever noticed how a smoothie bowl can keep you satisfied till lunch, while a juice leaves you craving a snack by mid-morning? Blame it on the fiber. The Sugar Dilemma. Here's a zinger. A large apple contains about 25 grams of sugar. Juice 3 of those babies and you're gulping down 75 grams of sugar in one go. That's almost double the recommended daily intake for women. Juicing can turn healthy fruits into hidden sugar bombs. Blending, with its fiber retention, helps mitigate this sugar rush, making it a smarter choice for those watching their sugar intake. Nutrient density. Who wins? Juicing proponents argue that without fiber, your body can absorb nutrients more efficiently. It's true, juicing gives you a megadose of vitamins and minerals in a flash. But wait, before you throw out your blender, consider this. Blending retains the whole fruit or veggie, meaning you're not missing out on any nutrients that might be stuck in the fiber. Plus, the fiber helps your gut health, which is essential for nutrient absorption. So, in a way, blending offers a more balanced nutrient intake. Detoxing myths and realities. The detox claim, the holy grail of juicing benefits. Many swear by juice cleanses to reset their bodies. But here's the reality check. Your liver and kidneys are the ultimate detox machines. They don't need a juice cleanse to do their job. Sure, juicing can give your digestive system a break and flood your body with nutrients, but it's not the magical detox cure some claim it to be. Blending, with its fiber content, actually supports your digestive system and keeps things moving smoothly. Calorie Comparison. Calorie watchers, listen up. Juices can be deceptively high in calories, especially if you're using sweet fruits. A large glass of mixed fruit juice can easily rack up over 300 calories. Blending, with its fiber content, makes a more filling, lower-calorie option. You're less likely to overconsume blended drinks because they're more satiating. Plus, you can throw in protein powders, nuts, and seeds to make a complete meal out of your smoothie. Convenience factor. Let's talk convenience. Juicing often requires more produce to make a single glass, and you're left with a mountain of pulp to deal with. Blending, however, is quick, easy, and less wasteful. You can toss everything in, hit blend, and you're done. Cleanup is a breeze compared to juicing, which can feel like a full-on kitchen project. Versatility and creativity. Blending opens up a world of possibilities, from green smoothies to protein-packed shakes and smoothie bowls topped with all kinds of deliciousness. Juicing, while refreshing and nutrient-dense, doesn't offer the same variety. If you love experimenting with different textures and flavors, blending is your playground. Cost considerations. Juicing can get pricey. You need a lot more fruits and veggies to make a decent amount of juice compared to blending. Plus, high-quality juicers can be quite an investment. Blending is generally more cost-effective, both in terms of the initial equipment and the amount of produce you need. Digestive health. Fiber is your gut's best friend. It promotes healthy digestion and regular bowel movements. Blending keeps that fiber intact, supporting your digestive health. Juicing, while still beneficial in many ways, can't offer the same digestive support since it removes the fiber. Environmental impact. Juicing tends to generate more waste due to the leftover pulp, which many people discard. Blending, on the other hand, uses the whole fruit or vegetable, leading to less food waste. If you're eco-conscious, blending is the greener choice. Final thoughts. So, which one wins the juicing versus blending battle? It all boils down to your personal goals and preferences. If you're looking for a quick nutrient hit and don't mind the lack of fiber, juicing could be your go-to. But if you're after a more balanced, filling option that supports digestive health, blending takes the crown. Each method has its unique benefits and can complement each other in a well-rounded diet. In the end, whether you juice or blend, the key is to enjoy a variety of fruits and vegetables. Mix it up, experiment, and find what works best for your lifestyle and health goals. Cheers to vibrant health, whether it's in a juice glass or a smoothie bowl.